Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speaker. If you're having issues where it's not connecting to Bluetooth, or it keeps disconnecting, or it's not working for one reason or another, we can just go ahead and do a hard reset. It will fix a lot of these issues, and plus it's really easy to do. All we need to do is we're going to, with our speaker turned on, we're going to come in and we're going to press and hold the Bluetooth button and the volume up button simultaneously. We'll just press and hold them, and you'll see the light indicators on the top of the speaker. They will go through a series of lights as we do that. We'll just continue to hold as they go through their different light sequences, and when it is done the reset, the speaker will actually turn off. And so once it turns off, you can just wait a second and then turn it back on, and the speaker will be reset. And once it's reset, since it has been reset, it will have been removed from all of the devices and disconnected from all of the paired devices, and you can repair it to whichever device you wish.